I'm Grant from the Strength Co, and today we're going to discuss a hot topic, a 35-pound plate. As you know, we make made in the USA cast iron plates, and we get calls all the time asking us if we make a 35. We don't find it necessary. However, we want to help you. So today, we're going to show you how to make your own 35-pound plate. Let's talk about what we need. First, you're going to need some type of bench vise. Mine, an old made in American one given to me by my grandfather. I've had it for years. Second, a metal rod. This happens to be electrical conduit, will work just fine. Third, propane fuel cylinder. Make sure you're in a well-ventilated room because this guy will be needed. Some U-line bundle wrap or stretch wrap you can find at Staples or any of your normal stores. And then let's get down to the important items. First, a 10-pound weight. Second, a 25-pound weight. A calibrated scale for accurate measurements, and a Cuban cigar. Let's begin. All right, let's get started. So first, we're gonna take our metal rod and walk over to our trusted bench press, or bench vise rather, and we're just gonna get it nice and secure. Remember, it's gonna have to hold 35 pounds. I like to start with the larger weight first whenever I load a bar or a metal, and obviously we're gonna go letters in. 25's in position. Next we're gonna grab our 10, letters in again, and put it there against each other. Now our first makings are coming together. Next, we're gonna need our stretch wrap. So when you use stretch wrap, remember you want the resistance in order to bind the two irons together. So I'm just gonna grab it here underneath the lip, and first just get a couple so they're slightly stuck to each other. We'll rotate and do the other side. Takes a lot of skill to make a 35, as like with most do-it-your-home projects. Don't get frustrated, may not come out perfect, but with a little patience and perseverance, you can have one. Now, you'll notice this 35-pound plate, not finished, in its early stages, is completely wrapped. There's no movement. We still have a nice inner diameter of 1.99 inches for a snug fit on the bar. But before we do anything with it, we need to QC and make sure it's the correct weight, so we'll head over to the scale. So now, we'll go into the quality control portion of this. Weight. Now, you may not have an industrial calibrated scale at home down to the last ounce. That's okay. So we're gonna use what you guys always use. Bathroom scales to measure your barbell weights. Get it zeroed out. Place it on. 35.2 pounds. Now, we're in the accuracy business, and here's the problem with the do-it-yourself business. 35 pounds of iron plus shrink wrap. 0.2, it's a little heavy, you'll be okay. So there you have it, the 35-pound plate. Now personally, I would never endorse this kind of thing, and every starting strength coach around the world finds it utterly and completely useless. But we do have some friends that enjoy these kind of things. Our friends over at Massonomics. And so today, we're gonna make the very first ever made Massonomics 35. Now that we've ruined two completely perfect plates, I'll show you how we plan to use the Massonomics 35.